To set up the channel 9 to the lead guitar, right-click and rename the channel. Click the equalizer and enter these values. Click the Noise Gate tab and enter these settings. Click the Compressor tab and enter these settings. We had configured the lead guitar in channel 9.